The power and potential of a vegetarian diet. In a world where dietary choices are as diverse as the people who make them, vegetarianism stands out as a conscious decision that goes beyond personal preferences. A vegetarian diet is more than just a plate full of greens. It's a lifestyle gaining popularity for its health benefits, ethical considerations, and environmental impact. What is a vegetarian diet? At its core, a vegetarian diet abstains from consuming meat, poultry, and fish. However, this dietary choice is not one size fits all. There are several variations within vegetarianism, including 1. Lacto-vegetarian. Includes dairy products in addition to plant-based foods. 2. Ovo-vegetarian. Incorporates eggs alongside plant-based items. 3. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian. Combines dairy products and eggs with plant-based nutrition. Plant-based nutrition. A vegetarian diet places a strong emphasis on consuming nutrient-rich plant foods. These include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These foods are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants contributing to overall well-being. The health benefits of a vegetarian diet. Improved heart health. Studies suggest that individuals following a vegetarian diet tend to have lower cholesterol levels, reduced blood pressure, and a decreased risk of heart disease. The abundance of fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants in plant-based foods contributes to these heart protective effects. Weight management. Embracing a vegetarian lifestyle often means consuming fewer calories from animal fats and processed foods. This can lead to better weight management and a lower risk of obesity-related health issues. Lower risk of chronic diseases. Research indicates vegetarians have a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and even kidney stones and gallstones. Ethical considerations and environmental impact. Environmental sustainability. Livestock farming is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. Individuals can significantly lower their carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable planet by choosing a vegetarian diet. Common misconceptions. Protein deficiency. One of the most common misconceptions about vegetarianism is that it leads to protein deficiency. However, plant-based protein sources such as lentils, beans, tofu, and quinoa provide ample protein for a balanced diet. Vitamin B12 deficiency. While vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products, vegetarians can obtain it through fortified foods or supplements, negating the deficiency concern. Getting started with a vegetarian diet. Plan balanced meals. To ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients, plan well-rounded meals that include a variety of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and protein sources. Explore new ingredients. Embark on a culinary adventure by experimenting with new ingredients like tempeh, seitan, and a wide range of plant-based spices. Educate yourself. Stay informed about the nutritional needs of a vegetarian diet to make informed choices and avoid potential deficiencies. In a world where dietary choices have far-reaching consequences, vegetarianism can be a powerful step towards personal health, animal welfare, and environmental sustainability. By understanding its nuances and benefits and addressing misconceptions, individuals can make informed decisions that positively impact themselves and the world around them.